Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we are drawing Martin Luther King Jr. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, but you can change it for colors or crayons, a white pen, and I'm using a marker to draw, but you can change it for pencil. Okay, let's start with a big letter U, and this letter U is gonna be higher in one side. So I'm gonna start here, I'm gonna go down, this is my short side, and I'm gonna start going up here a little farther. See, this side is a little higher than the first one. Okay, this one is small, this one is higher. Okay, now in the left side I'm gonna do the first ear, and this ear is gonna come from up and down, and this one is just gonna be half a circle right here. There. Okay, now I want to start from this point. I'm gonna go up and around, and we're gonna do a bunch of letter U's together for the hair. So I'm gonna start here, one letter U, and I want to continue all the way around. These ones are gonna start being big, and as I get closer to the other ear, I want to do smaller letter U's, just like that. Now let's go back here, and I want to do my letter U's. I want to close the ear right here with a little line, and I want to do my letter U's down. These ones were up and these ones go down, see? Just like that. And I want to do the same thing. These letter U's are a little big, and as I get closer, I get actually close to the letter U's on the top, and it goes smaller. You see the space is getting less, just like this. There, that's the hair. We're gonna color this after. Now let's continue with the eyes, and we're gonna do two oval shapes. I'm gonna leave a space in the middle and do an oval. And now let's color these ones right away. And now let's do eyebrows. So the eyebrows are gonna be pointing a little bit up, and they are rectangles. He has big eyebrows. There. Now let's do the nose, and the nose is just a C shape, backward C, just like that. And he has a mustache, so let's do first a curved line that goes down from this point of the nose. We're gonna go down, and now let's do the same thing in the other side. Let's go down, and we're gonna go back up with a curved line from this point to here, and let's do the same on the other side, a curved line. There. Now we're gonna do his mouth open. So for that, I'm doing an oval shape underneath the mustache, and it's gonna look just like this. And for the tongue, we're gonna do a letter M, or a M shape. So we're gonna go 1 and 2. There. Now to finish the face, we're just gonna color the mustache black. Okay, now let's continue with the tie, and we're gonna do a half a circle here underneath his chin, and two diagonal lines that come down, kind of like a shape. And the next step is going to be his suit, so we're going to do two diagonal lines, one here on the left and then one here on the right. And we're going to do the color of his suit, so we're going to go diagonal line from here and another one to here. And underneath the half a circle we did, we're going to do a triangle, and that's gonna be the tide. This is the one we're gonna color black. So I'm gonna color this triangle black, and I'm also gonna color the half a circle we did on the top. So he's gonna have a black tie. The rest we're gonna color after, okay? Now here I'm gonna do his fingers, and these are just like upside down letter U's, and I'm gonna do 3 of them. And if you notice, I'm doing the lines at the same level, so that means that they are all in this line. So let's trace the line of the podium he's actually holding, just like this. So it has to touch all the lines, and if they don't touch, you just can extend them. Now here I'm doing a diagonal line for the arm, and in this side his arm is up and pointing. So let's do first the 2 diagonal lines. So I'm coming here from his neck up with a diagonal line, and another one from here up. And now we're gonna join these 2 together, just like this. The next step is gonna be doing another line in here, And that's it. Now let's do the fingers. So for the first finger, I'm going to do a curved line that goes like this. Now he has a pointy finger, he's pointing, so the pointy finger is like a upside down letter U. And now I'm just gonna go around and close here with on a curved line, and inside we're gonna put 2 little lines for the fingers. Okay, now let's go in the left side. We're gonna go line and line in the right side and join these 2. Just like that. And now let's do 2 lines. Let's go in a little here. Let's leave a little bit of space. Go down, leave a space here, and then go down. And to finish this draw, we're just gonna do here the microphone. So I'm gonna start here with 2 lines that go really close together. Now I'm gonna do a square and then a circle. And here we are gonna color the square and the 2 little lines in black. We're gonna color the rest after, right after. And that's it, we finished. You did such a good job. Remember, here's where you can stop the video if you wanna copy something we did, if you wanna catch up. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.